Are you facing a dilemma on whether to approach the manufacturer directly or opt for a value-added reseller for your cloud contact center needs? It's a common misconception that going directly to the manufacturer will automatically lead to cost savings for cloud contact center services. However, the truth is that the initial cost may be comparable regardless of the chosen approach. What often goes unnoticed are the hidden, ongoing costs that can arise. Choosing the right path involves a careful consideration of various factors beyond the initial price tag. Let's dig deeper into why partnering with a value-added reseller can offer you significant advantages in the long run. Expertise and guidance. A reputable value-added reseller brings specialized knowledge and expertise in cloud contact center solutions. They have a deep understanding of the industry and can guide you through the selection and implementation process, ensuring that your unique requirements are met effectively. Customized solutions. Unlike manufacturers who typically offer standardized products, value-added resellers have the flexibility to tailor solutions to your specific needs. They take the time to understand your business objectives and recommend the most suitable cloud contact center services, ensuring a customized approach that aligns with your goals. Ongoing support and maintenance. Beyond the initial implementation, a reliable value-added reseller provides continued support and maintenance, ensuring that your cloud contact center operates optimally. They are readily available to address any issues or concerns that may arise, minimizing downtime and maximizing your investment. Integrated solutions and vendor management. Value-added resellers often have partnerships with multiple technology providers. This allows them to offer integrated solutions that seamlessly connect different systems, creating a cohesive and efficient contact center ecosystem. Additionally, they handle vendor management on your behalf, streamlining the process and saving you time and effort. Cost optimization. While the initial costs may be comparable, value-added resellers excel in optimizing costs over the long term. Their expertise in solution design and implementation ensures efficient resource utilization, leading to potential cost savings in areas such as infrastructure, maintenance, and support. When making your decision, it's crucial to look beyond the initial price and consider the hidden, ongoing costs associated with cloud contact center services. Partnering with a reputable value-added reseller can provide you with the expertise, customized solutions, ongoing support, and cost optimization required for long-term success. Manufacturers often have thousands of customers to support. While they do have SLA in place to quickly address critical system issues, lower priority items, move add change request, and the ability to ask basic questions often are overlooked. This can then increase the time, effort, and overall costs customers need to spend on items such as this. Value-added resellers often provide this support, and they may offer additional services, such as full managed services, as an add-on offering as well. These services can help you fully optimize and utilize your cloud contact center services, which can save you time and money in the long run. Additionally, value-added resellers often have a more extensive knowledge of the product as it relates to your environment and can provide you with more tailored advice, service, and support. Remember, the price of cloud contact center services is not the only factor to consider when deciding between going directly to the manufacturer or using a value-added reseller. It's important to weigh the additional ongoing services and support offered by value-added resellers before making a final decision. If you would like to learn more, contact VDS today.